some money to the sky. I'ma be finessing till I die. We gon' fuck around for the night.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys want to know how I styled and laid my blonde wig right here, then just keep on watching. This hair is synthetic, by the way. It's not real hair. I'm not bougie yet, but I'm pulling it off real cute and stuff. And it's really long. It's about like, it looks about 24 inches. I don't really know, but it's really long. It like reaches my butt and stuff, but I'm also like really short, so. But yes, if you guys want to know how I got this done, then boy, just keep on watching.
Oh shit! Alright!
So this is the wig that I'm going to be laying on my head today. It hella catfished me because it looked so nice when I first put this, when I first took it out of the package and everything. I just got this wig at my local beauty supply store. It's not really local. I have to drive like 14 miles to get there. But I just got it at a beauty supply store. And I wore it for my birthday as well too. It's a super cute wig. And it's also my first blonde wig that I've ever purchased. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing it today. Normally when I lay my wigs, I put my hair in braids, but it's really difficult to braid your hair with nails on. Look how cute my nails look. Okay, I think my cuticles are mad crusty, so never mind. But I normally would because I have a lot of hair, so. And I also hate the bump. I feel like you can see the bun when you don't braid your hair, and I don't like that. But I'm way too lazy to braid my hair, especially because I just took it out of braids. I don't want to do all that. That's good. Yeah, I like that. I just used up my last wig cap, unfortunately. Oh, I thought I found it. But no, so I'm just gonna take another rubber band so I can make my bun like really, really small. Ooh. I can already feel a headache coming in. No braids and no wig cap. It's the first time for everything. I already put baby hairs into this. And I cut the lace and everything. Like I said, I wore it for my birthday. I look so good on my birthday. I feel like I could have looked better, but okay. How does it look? Can you see a bump? Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. That's good. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead, brush out this hair. Literally combing out synthetic wigs be the death of me, like. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay my wig after I just got done combing it. And I normally just use Got To Be glue, the yellow one. I just put that shit on and that's it. That's all I need to lay my wigs. But I can't find my Got To Be glue bottle one, the yellow one, so I'm just gonna use my freeze spray, which also works fine, but I personally just love the yellow, the gel. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. If you could see, I did already kind of start some. So I'm just gonna take the same ones and kind of just do my edges. Mainly to cover up my lace because I suck at covering my lace up. It was low-key really hard to do my baby hairs because I hella lost them in the process of like taking them out. Like I just kept losing them. But I'm just letting it lay. I know I should have used a satin scarf instead of this, but this is the closest thing near me, and my satin scarf is like 10 years away, and I'm not trying to get it. But this is a look. This is such a look. Oh my god. If I had my hair look, if I had the bandana looking right, this would be such a look.
5'9", you know the zip. Top dog, light it up. We just gave him another hit, cause I'm a blood nigga.
Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. I don't know why the hell I pressed proud when the thing ain't even plugged in. I'm dumb.
Stupid. Anyway,
I'm gonna take my hair section by section and add the hair polisher by ORS. I think this is the name of it. I'm using this one. I use this on my natural hair all the time. I like the way it looks. All right, it is basically laid on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and style it now. I want to do something really different. I just don't want to wear it down. I think I want to do like a half up. Should I do like this or I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, I like this. Alright, so I am doing a half up, half down ponytail. It's a very simple look. Just have a part in the middle of your head and then just tie it up with the rubber band. Wait, is this cute or am I just tripping? Wait, I don't know if I like this. What the hell is this? Okay, this is cute. I'm tripping. This is really cute. This is cute. I was tripping for no reason. This is so cute. Look at me. Aww. Bitch, I look so cute. Aww. Oh my god. Nobody's ready for Nemo. I swear she be doing the most and I look so cute. Wait till I do my makeup and stuff. Ah. Yep. Alright, that's legit it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video and how I install and styled this blonde wig. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup now, take some pictures and stuff like that, and just try to have a really nice day and shit. So, alright, I love you guys so much. Bye.